New Zealand dollar against US dollar this week has tried to make a breakout to the downside. We can see this bearish candle where the breakout has happened, and then the next candle returned the price back up, which has cancelled this breakout to the downside. So then the price returned back up, tried to reach higher price levels, which is usually normal. After the breakout has been failed, the price tries to return in the opposite direction, but we can see the sellers are much stronger and they have not allowed the price to reach higher price levels. The price returned back down, and we can see on the Friday the price has made again a bearish breakout. On the weekly time frame, we can see the price in the previous week has reached this demand zone, pretty strong, a bearish candle, and this week we can see the price has formed a bearish breakout to the downside. This is a very significant area, which is a confluence of support where the price is trying to make a breakout, and it has formed this week. On the monthly time frame, we can see that after the price in the previous month has formed this bullish breakout where the price has made a breakout above 0.62, in order to validate this breakout as a valid one, we needed to see the price closing above 0.62. But as it looks, this month has closed back inside this area below this support level, which means that this bullish breakout in the previous month has failed. So in order to when this happens, when this breakout has been failed, what happens if the price returns back inside this area? Usually this means that the price will continue to fall down and reach the opposite currently acting as support level here, which means I am expecting that the price will fall down in value and reach an area around this one here. First level where it will stop, where the price will stop, is 0.60. We can see this is the first small support level, and the next one is 0.59, which is also 0.60. So this is a small range area for the price acting as a support on the monthly time frame. We have 3 more days next week until this month ends. So this could be a potential scenario that we see the price reaching this area here. If that happens, that means that the price is still falling in value, and there is a possibility that the price will reach an area around this one here, which is 0.60, 0.59. Just a minute. What I can see, I can move this one here. It will be much more correct way to see the price here, but we'll see on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see what's happening here. We can see that the price has made a breakout to the downside this week, and which means usually that the price will continue to fall down even more. The next stop where the price will reach is this one here, which is 0.60. We can see it in the past, the price has stopped here, but also the next one where it is an area which is a demand zone around this one, which is 0.59, but also 0.60, a very round number. So this is the potential target next week, but we need to see on the daily time frame how this looks. It needs to be confirmed. It's very less likely that I would see the price reaching higher price levels because of this bearish breakout and also this strong bearish candle. On the daily time frame we'll see much more clearly how this looks, but as it looks on the weekly time frame, it's very hard to see the price going upside or to the upside, but anything can happen. On the daily time frame we can see that the price has formed a bearish breakout on the daily time frame on the Friday. As we can see on the weekly time frame, this is also a bearish breakout, and the monthly time frame is suggesting that the price will reach lower levels. So we have 3 time frames that are suggesting that the price will fall down in value. So I'm expecting the price will fall and reach the first level is 0.606. This is the first support level on the daily time frame, and below that we can see the next level is around 0.601. So these are the levels where I'm expecting the price will fall down. This is also a confluence of support if the price reaches here because of this downtrend channel. Now, what happens on the daily time frame if the price goes above on the daily time frame on the Monday, which means this bearish breakout will be failed one. If the price goes above and it closes very close here, it will be the same scenario like this one, which means I'm not expecting that the price will go up. But if the price closes, for example, here, this will mean that the bulls will try to reach this area here. until the breakout happens on the upper side here on the Monday, I'm not expecting to see the price on higher price also because we are here currently in the downtrend. So I'm expecting that the price will fall down and lose its value. So if the price closes on the daily time frame on a Monday below this one, which is below 0.6099, which we can also round number to 0. Okay. This means that the price will fall down even more down. So this is the scenario that I am expecting next week for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. If something happens on the market, the breakout to the downside has been validated, or a price returns back inside, which means a breakout has been failed, I will share that inside the trading community. You can find the link for the trading community below in the description, so if you would like to check it, feel free. I share the daily analysis if something happens on the market. So if the breakout happens, I share what would be the next target. Also, if the breakout has been failed, I'll also mention what I'm expecting to see on the market. But as it looks right now, New Zealand dollar is losing its value. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.